Fujifilm value from innovation. We are active in many areas from digital cameras and photo finishing equipment to preventive healthcare, advanced diagnosis, cancer screening treatment equipment, accessories and flat panel display components. From digital X-ray diagnostics to radiopharmaceuticals, Fujifilm Medical Systems offer wide range solutions. Fujifilm is pioneer in diagnostic imaging and information system for healthcare facilities. Our clinically proven products and technologies are constantly evolving to help medical professionals perform more effectively and efficiently. Endoscopy, innovative solutions for safer examinations and greater patient comfort. Based on our wide-ranging technological expertise, Fujifilm pursues innovation in many areas with the goal of enhancing the quality of life. As a complete solutions provider, Fujifilm is a one-stop shop for high-performance endoscopy with image-enhanced technology and endosonography, top-of-the-range processors, endoscopes with the highest level of user comfort and unique examination methods. Pioneering innovations like the CMOS technology, gradual stiffness and the double balloon enteroscopy make endoscopy even safer and more straightforward. Fujifilm India came into existence from November 2017. And then there have been so many service centers started along with other support services to provide best after sales solution and services to the guest. Fujifilm India started its first service center in Gurgaon in March 2018. Fujifilm India remained focused as it started second service center was in Mumbai by January 2019. And third service center in Chennai by February 2019. In the service centers and workshops, we have trained staff and all variety of products and equipment to provide our services. The Fujifilm Group conducts regular research and development programs and doctors' trainings to achieve growth in priority business field and to create new businesses. To give the same quality as the Japan, Fujifilm is providing regular training and education to the service engineers. Repairs engineers are continuously trained at Fujifilm Japan. Gurugram Service Center is also frequently arranging training to new engineers as well to senior engineers for basic and advanced system like EUS. To create the best service quality, field service engineers and workshop engineers are getting training at Fujifilm Japan and Singapore. We follow the same QC policy in service as followed in Japan. Fujifilm provides a worldwide network but is always close to you. Strengthen service infrastructure, quality service, increase loaner assets across the country, competitive repair costs, field service engineers pan-India who are highly skilled and trained in Japan, improved debt, spare inventory, dedicated NCRM, National Customer Relationship Manager. You can see Fujifilm is always serious about endoscopy business service support and customer care. In these 2 years, Fujifilm has been done a lot in India. In this series, now we are going to open our new service centers in Kolkata by this December 2019 and in Bengaluru by this March 2020. Fujifilm is dedicated to developing mutually beneficial partnership relationship with customers. Fujifilm is prioritizing the development of revolutionary new products, services and businesses in our key business areas of healthcare and highly functional materials. Such products and business models are things that can build new successes for Fujifilm and our partners, but also eventually make powerful contributions to society. The EUS Academy Education Forum for training on duodenscopy, ERCP and endoscopy ultrasound.